The Walther GSP, Gebrauchs Sportpistole or Sport Pistol for standard use, is a single-action, precision target shooting pistol made in Germany by Walther Sportwaffen. It has the same technical base as the Walther OSP and thus is almost identical in outward appearance, albeit slightly longer and heavier than the OSP. It introduced the modern slab-side barrel and has a noticeably oval trigger aperture. It has a shorter sight radius than OSP. The GSP was introduced on the world market in 1968 and was chambered for .22 long rifle. At the end of 1971, Walther began offering the pistol in .32 Smith & Wesson long wad cutter cartridge, GSPC, with a conversion unit comprising bolt, barrel, and magazine to transform it into .22 long rifle if required. Regardless of its original caliber, conversion units for the other caliber are available and easily interchangeable. The anatomical, adjustable walnut grips were also available, on order from Walther, for left-handed shooters. In 1988, Walther introduced a fully adjustable, 4-pull, stop-and-angle, 2-stage trigger that athletes could retrofit their pistols with. The trigger unit can be replaced by a special training unit which has a ratchet device and gives 5 dry shots for every winding. Under the New York SAFE Act, the Walther GSP is now classified as an assault weapon under New York state law. It is also classified as an assault weapon under Chicago and Cook County laws due to the magazine being outside of the pistol grip.